lot of the big consultancy companies. You know, they're packed with very clever people, but they're not packed with people from across the magisteria, as I said earlier. So one of the things that I did, and it was great fun, we had I was asked to work with 30 of the sales guys in one of these companies, and I do, you know, I had to help them with their pitching and help them get their messages clear. And we had an artist in there as well, helping them visualize what their products looked like, etc. But we then pulled a fast one. The chief executive, she's called Ursula. She's still there, and her and I sat down. We said, we need to give these guys something challenging. So what we did was we did a Dragon's Den. Now that isn't a clever idea. Everybody's done that sort of thing. But what we didn't tell them, so these 30 people all walked in and they had to present their piece to the Dragon's Den. There was me, Ursula, and a couple of other technical guys on the panel. But what they didn't know was that we'd invited their families to be the audience. And by goodness, you have never seen 30 people's faces change completely, ashen. And it was so interesting because they couldn't BS. They had to watch acronyms because some wee boy would say, "Excuse me, Daddy, what does that mean?" You know, and they really had to know their stuff. And I'll tell you what, that's one of the best events I've ever been at, because it really put these people under real pressure that they didn't expect. And ideas came out, mate. It was brilliant. It just kept coming out, you know, because they were challenged by they were met by a different audience. So based on that, we then used to bring, and I remember having one with, we went and had a partnership with the National Opera down at Covent Garden in London, and we got the opera singers to be the audience. You know, so we really went for it. We went for different types of people, and it was terrific. I'm very, very proud of that work.